Hello everyone, this is the demonstration video of Selective Content Packaging. Click on the Tools icon in AEM Start menu and click on ADX AEM Tools. Now go to Selective Content Packaging. Selective Content Packaging is a tool made to create packages of specific nodes which will be via an Excel file input. This is to reduce the tiresome task of creating packages when we have a long list of filters and it is difficult to create those packages manually. This also helps in reduction of the size of the package because we have options to include child nodes of pages or not and to include DAM renditions for assets or not. Let's go on how this tool works. We have a simple form here, package name, group and version of the package. You can enter demo package. These are some validations. So it can contain hyphen, underscore and dot. Group, you can give demo group. Similar for the group, we have these validations. And version, we can say 1.0. Now, access control handling basically looks for the permissions of specific nodes while this package is being created. Like for example, if you are deploying this package, so do you want the permissions to be overwritten, preserved, or merged with the existing permissions? So there are 5 access control handling options: merge, preserve, clear, ignore, merge, and overwrite. The descriptions are provided with them. Merge, preserve is the default one. Now we choose the Excel file containing the nodes. We have a sample file here. Let's look at how the sample looks. The Excel file has 3 columns: the path, include child node, yes and no, include DAM content, then include the renditions. So let's say for this path, we want to include the child nodes, and similarly for this path, we do not want the child nodes to be included. Let's take an example of a DAM asset. We do not want to include the renditions for the packaging. Now we choose the file, package creation sample, and we click on submit. As you can see, demo package 1.0 has been downloaded, and here we have logs of the status of the package creation. Here we have success logs that all these nodes have been packaged. You can have search functionality like for DAM nodes only, and you can export this logs into Excel or PDF. Now suppose another user enters the same package details and wants to create the package. We get an error saying the package with same details already exists, so please update the details. Either we can update any of these details or we can click on overwrite package. What this will do, it will delete the older version of this package and will overwrite it with this new package. When I click on submit, this is again forming a new package by deleting the previous one. It is again present with the logs. I can see the logs as an Excel file, or I can download it as a PDF. We have a tool guide here telling you all the steps on how to use this tool and some special guidelines regarding the package. We also have a history tab. Now this history tells me all the packages created using this tool on my server. I created these 2 packages right now. So this is the history of my packages. I can download it again from here in the future, and I can see the respective logs of the package. So this is all about Selective Content Packaging Tool. Thank you.